Hey guys, I'm gonna do a short video on how to remove this fog from your headlights. This is my baby right here. Lexus ES340s. I love Lexuses. Oh baby, they drive like, I don't know. I guess they dropped down from heaven like manna in the days that you know. But let's get back to it. So I heard that toothpaste. So this is one that I took from the bathroom. Uh, and I got some of these paper towels right here that I'll be using. I heard that it works. If it doesn't work, it's gonna be a pretty not so good thing for me because I love this car, which means I would probably have to get new headlights. But uh, I'm just gonna try. It's a Crest Complete extra whitening toothpaste. So let's get to it and see if it works. Hopefully it does. I've seen it on YouTube and I just want to try it out. Okay guys, let's get to it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of toothpaste there and I'm just gonna use my fingers to try this experiment out and see if it works. Hopefully it does clear this out today. Because I love this baby looking nice and shiny. Yep. So let's see. Oh, my paper towel just flew off. See, right there. Boom. Well, let's hope this works because I've seen it on YouTube and I just decided to make a video of it and while I'm trying it to see if it works for real, and hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. Alright guys, I think we could try it out on that half first. So that, let me get my paper towel from, oh man, right here. Okay, from what I've seen, the people just rub it off, so I'm gonna try to rub it off in a circular motion as well. And okay, maybe one more time, or maybe I can just use this to spread it out and see. Spread it out. Yeah. Man, this thing is tough. I think I need to get my hose pipe so I can get some water. I guess I didn't prepare too good for this video. Everything is just flying off. Sorry guys. Try to do better next time. Okay, let me just quickly get my hose so I can get some water. Oh man. Okay. A little bit of water on there. And then continue. And we'll see if it did anything. Oh, it's looking kind of better. Yep. So, actually it's looking much better. Much better. See right there? Wow. I hope it lasts a while. See if you look at this side. I don't know if you can see it clearly. It's looking real foggy right there. and you come over to this side. It's looking much better. Let me use some more water on that and see if it, make sure all the toothpaste is gone. Okay. Wow, the difference is clear. Man, that looks really, really, really different. See how foggy this side is? All right, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see how far this lasts, and maybe, hopefully, last a while. But if not, then I'll do another video in a couple weeks or so, and just to give you guys an update on how it lasts, or whether anything happened, whether my headlight exploded or something. But okay, guys, have fun. Comment below. Give me your feedback. Maybe I did something wrong. Let me know, or if there's any improvement, I'll be glad to, let you know if I find one. Thank you.